Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not working problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings, then you need to go into the app management, and then you need to click on app list and search your Instagram and clear the storage and cache. And after that you need to go back and then you need to log out from your Instagram account. Once you log out, you simply need to log in again in your Instagram account, and after that your Instagram is working properly, as you can see that. So this is a process by which you can face Instagram not working problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.